In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a marketing journey in Freshsales. Whether you're new to Freshsales or want to streamline your customer interactions, setting up a marketing journey is a great way to engage your audience efficiently. So, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Freshsales. Once you've navigated to the Freshsales website, log in with your credentials. It's important to ensure that you're in the right account, either Freshsales or Freshmarketer, since the functionalities are tailored to different needs. Once you're logged in, look to the left side navigation panel and find the icon labeled Customer Journeys or Marketing Journeys. Clicking on this will direct you to a list of all your existing journeys, providing a comprehensive view of your ongoing marketing strategies. Now, to start a new journey, locate and click the Create Journey or Create New button. At this point, you have the option to decide between beginning with a pre-built template, often referred to as a playbook, or starting from scratch. Pre-built templates can be really helpful if you're looking for something quick and standardized, but creating a journey from scratch allows for greater customization to suit your specific goals. After you make your choice, you'll need to enter a name for your journey. It's a good idea to include an optional description as well, to clearly define the purpose and scope of this particular journey, making it easier to manage it later on. Now you'll find yourself in the Journey Builder. Here, you'll start by dragging a trigger block onto the canvas. A trigger is essentially the starting point for any contact entering the journey. It could be an action such as being added to a list or segment, submitting a form from a landing page, showing particular email activity, or visiting a specific page on your site. These trigger points define how and when your audience is pulled into the journey. To build out your journey, drag and drop action blocks following the trigger. These actions could be sending an email, adding contacts to a list, generating an internal notification, sending a WhatsApp or chat message, or even adding a new deal. Connect these blocks using arrows to create the desired workflow. Next, incorporate control blocks to manage the timing and flow of your journey. Control options let you add time delays, split traffic, or exit the journey, ensuring your interactions happen in a targeted and timely manner. Additionally, place condition blocks within the workflow. This allows you to create different paths based on how contacts behave throughout their journey. Once you've configured everything, click Start Journey to launch it right away, ensuring your marketing efforts reach your audience as planned. Alternatively, you can choose to schedule your journey to begin at a later, more optimal time. And there you have it. Your marketing journey is now ready to engage your audience effectively.